Well, we got 9 minutes to go. We closed the street. We're all set up. Changing a few prices. I don't know where the vegetable guy is. I got the gate halfway open here so he can get in, but he hasn't showed up yet. The one that sets up on the street with me. Stand by. Let's take a spin through here and see. I have to put my mask on. They put you in jail without a mask. The Clan Man, aka Vegetables. Pumpkin carving lady. And vegetables. These peanut butter.
Yeah, she's in Florida, so I guess.
The fig and her line of figs. Rome with love.
We'll be talking to your team.
And the best of it is right here. Look. And Carrotzilla. Hey. A lot of pies today.
Pumpkin season.
Yes, it is. Quiche-zilla. Utter chaos. You've been down here before? Holy rollers and a soup lady. What kind of soup you got today?
Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you doing today, sir?
I'm doing all right.
We have got a lot of soups today.
I see you do.
We have got, hold on 1 second. And just put this out to display for the video.
Yeah.
We got my bins today. Get ready to put them in the cooler. We've got lemon orzo, roasted tomato, Brunswick stew, harvest veggie with orzo, chicken noodle, beef noodle.
Lots of fancy soups.
And we've got samples of our chicken bone broth today.
Okay. Sauce lady.
Hi.
Uh-oh. Nitro. Hey, hey.
Hello.
Pasta and Pani guy. Kabacha. Hey, hey. Olive oil and pecan oil. Seafood man.
Morning.
Hey, hey. Look like salmon on the market today. And the rollers are here. How you doing?
Not for long.
Not for long. What a cute puppy.
Bowser.
Good morning, little tail.
He's got a knife. Well, we got 5 minutes to go. We had a pretty good day today. It wasn't a ripper, but it was okay. We got a lot of chalk art today. Everybody's doing chalk art. A couple of nitros. Five minutes to go. We're at the gun show now. No pictures taken allowed at the gun show. You can't take any pictures. So I'm just doing the background from where we are on a wall here. My signs on the magnetic wall. Open the doors up for Sunday. They're going in flying. Great balls of fire. Well, we just got home from the gun show. In here is a lot of knives. Cutcos, pocket knives, I don't know what's all in there. And I got a text from a guy that says, I think I got some knives in your milk box. Let's go see. It's been raining all afternoon. We had a terrible gun show. Saturday was terrible. Today was a little better, but nothing spectacular by any stretch of one's imagination. Oh, we got 2 little pocket knives in there. Look at that. Pretty cool. One's a Gerber. Both of them need tips. And the other one's a Cutco. I knew Cutco made different kind of knives and pocket knives, but I never knew they made a little teeny folding knife like that. Look at that. Cutco. Okay. Well, I got the pocket knives out of the bag, and there's the, I presume, kitchen knives. Looks like a million in there. Stand by. Well, there was a good homework in that bag. 18 knives of different varieties. Some from China, some from here and there, some Fiskar scissors, some Cobalt scissors, and some Cutco scissors. And then we have 4 Cutcos, 3 Paula Deans, and 2 nice fish fillet knives. This is a really fancy one here. It don't have any name or anything on it, but it looks pretty fancy. Okay, Monday and Tuesday gonna be busy, it looks like.